Ladies and gents, is the sound of a QuickSilver 992 Titan Sport Exhaust. This system picks up the OEM valve control, so with a touch of this Sport Chrono dial, or indeed your Sport mode on the dash, you can switch this thing back to silent instantly in cruising comfort. But when you want it, stick it into Sport or Sport Plus, drop it down a couple of cogs, and you're ready to enjoy some towing. So you might be wondering, why QuickSilver over another 992 exhaust? There's certainly plenty on the market. I'll give you a couple of good reasons. One, titanium silencer. We use the word silencer, really this exhaust is a non-resonated X-pipe, so you've got a non-resonated exhaust but with a silencer over it. Why would you do that? Think about the body of an acoustic guitar, right? Take the body off it, you don't hear any resonance, there's nothing to make any sound or help project it. With a silencer over unsilenced pipework, or at least an outer casing, you pick up all that glorious titanium transient tone, which means that you can enjoy it at low or high rev ranges.